I'll show you how to log out of your Facebook account from other devices. This is super helpful if you think someone else might be using your account, or if you've logged in on a device you no longer have access to. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once it's open, tap on the menu or profile icon. If you're using an iPhone, you'll find it in the bottom right corner. On Android or on a computer, it's usually in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. From there, look for Account Center. Facebook changes its layout sometimes, so if you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar in Settings to find it. Inside the Account Center, tap Password and Security, then select where you're logged in. Here, you'll see a list of all devices currently signed into your Facebook account. Now tap Select Devices to log out. Choose any devices you don't recognize or no longer want connected, and then tap Log Out. Confirm your choice when prompted, and that's it. Those devices are now logged out of your Facebook account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.